So one thing that I really, really pay attention to is sentiment via social media. And if you've been on social media for a long enough time, you can kind of pick up on who doesn't really know what they're talking about, or at least who doesn't understand how to have a good trade structure. One of the things that I do is note these people down, and it might be, I don't know, a bit of a demerit activity, so a bad activity to do. But at the end of the day, who cares? It's public opinion going out there, and you can try and use as much data as possible to compose your edge and maintain your edge. So that's what I do. So what you should try and look for are these three things. You should look for people who are overly pessimistic. You should look for people who are overly hysterical. But in the main, you should look for people who are overly pessimistic and overly hysterical, who don't actually put a trade structure on within these two mindsets. So they're overly emotional, but they don't actually know how to structure their emotion. Because the next time that they actually put out a trade idea, you can probably hazard a guess that it's going to go the wrong way. They're going to get stopped out, or they're going to make a loss. It's just the way that emotions work, and it's a fantastic tool to use to your advantage.